It was a hot summer day. A farmer planted watermelons in his field, but there was no rain. The farmer looked up at the sky and began to cry. Just then, a white dove flew down. It came to the farmer and said, "I can call the clouds, but I need something in return." The farmer replied, "Take whatever you want." The dove flew up into the sky and truly brought rain. The fields turned green. Big, juicy watermelons grew everywhere. The farmer became very happy. But the next day, the dove returned and asked for one small watermelon. The farmer refused. The dove became sad and flew away. Soon the fields began to dry up again. The farmer understood his mistake, but it was already too late.